Okay, lesson 2. Now we're going to explore the actions, the output. What can we do with all this energy, with all the vibrations that come from the universe to us? What actions can we do? What works can we do? So we're going to again assume that everything has already been written in space. We're going to look at the systems of action of us, body-mind system. And the first action connected to the element space is the action of thinking. Connected to the element fire, the genitals, reproduction, and elimination. Connected to the element air, the action of talking or singing. Connected to the element water, our hands as a system of action, and the earth connected to our legs. We move on the earth using our legs. 5 actions, and no more than 5 actions to represent our ability to do work. Inside our bodies, what we call the microcosmos, inside our bodies, there is, of course, a nervous system connected to the element space, a digestive system connected to the element fire, respiratory system. Here we could also look at the reproductory system, respiratory system, circulatory systems with water, skeleton and muscles with the earth. So these are the systems that we study in biology and how they are, in a way, connected to the 5 elements of nature. And around us, of course, the macrocosmos, the biggest of all the systems, is the universe, of course, connected to space. The solar system and the cycle of photosynthesis connected to the sun. The atmospheric system and the nitrogen cycle connected to the element air. The water cycle and the oceans connected to the element water, and the rock cycle and carbon cycles, as those are the cycles that we study around us. And of course, all these cycles are powered by the solar energy. As we said before, the sun is the first source of energy, so it powers the atmospheric system, it powers the oceans, it powers the rock cycles and the carbon cycles, right? What are the topics that we study in physics? Connected to the element space, there are many topics: waves, electromagnetics, spectrum, the atomic, nuclear, quantum physics. Those are astrophysics also, astrophysics connected to the element space. Those are the topics in physics. Most of the topics in physics are connected to the element space because most of what is around us is space. Astrophysics, optics. Okay, we study light coming from stars. We can connect here between the space and the fire, the astrophysics, optics, the study of light, kinetic theory of gases with air, hydraulics, and mechanics, kinematics, forces. These are the topics in physics. If you open a book of physics, that's all you can learn in physics. A matrix that is beginning to complete in terms of rows and columns, and we have to identify what is hidden inside each one of these boxes. So my advice is cover them and think about them. Ponder about this before you move forward.